Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of my absolute favorite products that I have found recently. I'd say November 2019 and it's February 2020. So it's been a favorite of mine for quite a few months. I've used this product several times. So this is a legit review and it is truly how I feel, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So the product that I'm reviewing today is going to be the Kylie Jenner lip kits. Okay, so I have 4 and I love them all, kind of. Okay, so let me explain what I'm talking about. The one that I'm wearing on my lips right now is, flip it over, Autumn. And I love this color because it's so warm, I guess you could say. It's such a neutral kind of, not too in your face, but not too not there, if that makes sense. So the way these work, your lip kit, there are 2 pieces to it. So inside you're gonna find a lip liner, and then you're gonna have your actual, not lip gloss, but lip product stick. Okay, so how this works is you start with the, and you can see I've used the living crap out of this. I really have, but that's okay. It means I love it. So you apply the lip liner first. It says to fill your lips in first with your lip liner, and then you come in and go over your lips, and it's the doe foot applicator. Go over your lips with the product. And then it takes maybe a minute to really dry, and it does dry matte. So these, every one that I got is a matte lip, and I really do like that. So that's Autumn, the one that I'm wearing now. I also have 20, which is, it really is kind of like, it's like this color, but brown, a little darker. So it's more of a bold kind of look. And then I have Bear, which is really beautiful, honestly. It's just a really neutral nude color, and it's perfect for my skin. And then I went crazy and got Red Velvet. So this one's like super freaking red. So these products, I have seen them run from $27 all the way to like $50. So where I got mine, I bought mine on Ulta, or I was at Ulta, and I saw them. They were about $30 each, which is kind of steep, but they work so well that I'm okay spending that. I just can't buy the whole entire line, which I would like to do, but it's not gonna happen. So Autumn is my absolute favorite. It stays on. It goes on like little kiss test. It really does. It stays on all day long. I even brought my classy solo cup with a straw so that I can show you. So this is what it looks like. Take a drink. Nothing is on that straw. The only thing that I have, you know, if I eat like a hamburger that involves me like really getting down on it, or if I eat a soup, I'll notice that, you know, the inner part, I'll have to reapply that. But this here, perfect all throughout the day. And I'll come home and like, I go to work at 9, get home about maybe 8 o'clock, and it's still perfect and on. And it doesn't like run at all. It will stay just how you put it. So if you fudge it up, then it's going to be fudged. But if you don't, it'll be perfect. Sometimes, you know, it happens. Okay, so that's Autumn. Bear, the exact same. 20, the exact same. Beautiful, perfect formula. The last one that I purchased is the Red Velvet. And the reason for that, this formula is not the same as the other 3. This one is actually very tacky. And if you do the kiss test, it comes off on my fingers. And I notice like it really starts to wear on the inside throughout the day, like really early on throughout the day. And it's just really thick. It just doesn't dry all the way. It doesn't. It's beautiful when it's on, but it does not dry like it's supposed to. So I don't know if I got a bad batch here. Probably should have taken it back, but I didn't because the color's so pretty. It's just really not my favorite at all. Another thing about the product, which it's not that big of a deal, but it is worth pointing out. So whenever you go to sharpen your pencils, you'll sharpen it, and this is kind of what it looks like after you sharpen it. And then I've noticed I'll sharpen mine, and then I'll start to apply it, and the actual liner will go all the way back in. And I'm like, I just sharpened this. What the heck? You have to sharpen it again. So that's kind of a bummer because you stab yourself when you think that you actually sharpened it. It kind of stabs you in the lip. But overall, these are wonderful products. I'm sure there are dupes out there for these, which I really haven't found anything that I would like to put on YouTube to say, hey, this is a dupe for this. But if I do, I'll let you know. Highly recommend these, just maybe not the red velvet. If anybody else has had success with the red velvet and it works like it's supposed to, please let me know, and I'll take this back because, like I said, I could have just gotten a bad box. But highly recommend, whoop, let me turn those around. Highly recommend these products, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a good day.